Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for yet another tiny update that involves Uma Khumalo. She recently posted on Instagram a series of photos, which we now understand are pictures that were taken during the Filmalia episode Umseleko emtshela ukuthi uthathe unkosikazi ohlala eMzumbe. She captioned the photos saying, "Life isn't perfect, but your outfit can be." And people wasted no time in showing its support to her. Mahiri said, "I hope you have invested in a house elsewhere so that mhlazane umseleko wadlula uphume kubantu aba-toxic." And then uThandi uthena, "Finally he agreed on IVF, I'm happy." And then Umkhitha uthi, "I love you, please buy a house, your man supports you and loves you, but when he's gone it already shows that you and your daughter will be treated kabi. Uphume lapho mhla ubaba wahamba." And then uEli uthi, "Why don't you leave that man? I'm sure you will be married elsewhere, very happy and respected cause you deserve it." Ubusi uthi, "Kube kuya ngami ngabe you're the only wife kumseleko." And then Mrs. Manoko uthi, "I love how you upload these pictures after episodes played, though the show was recorded long ago." Usolwandle uthi, "Without fear or favor, out of those 4 wives, Makhumalo, I salute you. Very calm, even when no one sees your angry face, but you're always calm when addressing issues. Mthombeni is blessed to have you in his corner." And then uLindiwe uthi, "Uqaphele uMayeni uyakuzonda loyasisi ngomoya wakhe wonke. Futhi iyeka ukukhokhela izimoto zabo. Umyeni yena makazenzele izinto zabafazi bakhe." Usiboni uthi, "I understand now. You post what you wore during the episode. Classic." And then uBelinda uthi, "Girl, you even pay everyone's insurance and they still give you attitude? Cut them off and let them pay their own damn insurance. You are way too nice for these wives." And then Marisha uthi, "Our very own Minister of Transport, Emzini, beautiful dress." And then Azim uthi, "Real novella is not enough. We want you guys to replace Big Brother." And then Umadlamini uthi, "I-breadwinner eyondla omama abadala." And then Dr. of Makhumalo uthi, "Mama Bear." And then Usisipo uthi, "Bayoze bathi mama enganeni, looking beautiful as always, Makay." And then Utogozani uthi, "Mawami, a woman with wisdom and too much love. You are my role model. Keep winning." Uwazi uthi, "Umuhle Makay." And then Uzusiphe uthi, "We wish you all the best nge-IVF." And then Doris uthi, "Kodwa mhla usacrifice ngemoto yakho kuMayeni kuyiba kwi-outing, unenhliziyo enhle sidalwa." People continue to show uMakay love, saying, "Umuntu omuhle njengenhliziyo yakhe. Love you Makay. Don't change who you are. Just distance yourself from toxic people. Myeke umuntu onenhliziyo embi in her corner. Nawe uzonwabele and do what makes you happy." So yeah, as we can see, even though there's 1 or 2 shady comments, negative comments, there's also an overwhelming amount of positive comments as well, showing love and support to Uma Khumalo. And I just hope that she focuses on that. Ngoba we all know what we are my comments and she listens to what people say. I truly hope that she focuses on the important ones. Ngoba honestly, into yena ayifelayo ukuthi uthanda indoda yakhe and futhi uyayihlonipha izifiso zayo. I am just willing to bet ukuthi sometimes she doesn't do things for the family ngoba nakho ethanda, but she does them because ufuna kube ne-peace ne-unity emndenini wakhe. Umuntu la okumele athethiswe is umseleko for putting uMakay in that position, knowing very well ukuthi abamfuni abanye abafazi, and for forcing uMayeni to interact with someone that triggers her to this extent. And lento mesithatha sibase kuthina nje, each one of us has had mhlambe a moment or a situation where we had to do something for someone owayesiphathe kabi or owayenze into embi kuthina, and we know how it feels. So let's be kind and let's continue wishing Uma Khumalo all the happiness, peace and the strength to play her role in that family. Ngisho noma ngabe kunzima kanjani, because we all know ukuthi she's not going anywhere, guys, because uyamthanda umuntu wakhe. So I think nathi sinaleyo responsibility kuthina ukuthi siyeke ucomment ukuthi akamshiye, because I'm sure when she's reading those comments akumphathi kahle ukuthi thina sisho njalo. So I think we just focus on showing love and support nje kuphela.